Hello students, today we are going to discuss part 3 of The Merchant of Venice Act 1 Scene 3. Students, in my previous videos I have discussed about Shylock. Shylock was introduced as a Jewish moneylender whom Bassanio approached for 3,000 ducats as a loan and Antonio as a guarantor. In this scene, we also knew that Shylock hesitated at first to give a loan of 3,000 ducats as Antonio had risked all his money in ships which were tossing on the ocean across the world. Shylock also talked about the dangers the ships can face on the ocean, like pirates, winds, rough waves or storm, shallow water, rocks on which ships could be hit and drown. And also we can find that Shylock is hesitant as he knew that return of Antonio's ships depend on the mercy of the ocean. We also found in this scene the theme of racial discrimination when Shylock denied to dine with the Christians because he was a Jew and he had a hatred for the Christians in general and Antonio in particular. Now students, we shall discuss more about this scene. What happened when Antonio entered the scene? Students, today we are going to discuss from this extract, Shylock, I am debating of my present store. Before I begin with this extract, in the previous scene, we found, in the previous extract from Act 1, Scene 3, we found that Shylock talked about his ancient grudges that Shylock holds against Antonio. And what were those grudges or anger? Antonio hates and abuses the Jews. This is the first cause that made Shylock very angry. Second, Antonio has been a problem for Shylock's money lending business as Antonio gives loans to people without any interest. Third reason, Antonio, moreover, insults Shylock for his money lending business while the Jews are not allowed to participate in any other profession in a Christian society. Now let's begin. Bassanio, Shylock, do you hear? So Bassanio is asking whether Shylock is listening to them or not. Now already we studied that Shylock saw Antonio visiting them, but he ignored Antonio and he was speaking to him aside facing the audience. I am debating of my present store. Students, underline debating means calculating. My present store means present cash in his hand. And by the near gaze of my memory, I cannot instantly raise up the gross of full 3,000 ducats. What of that? Now, students, please underline the words. By the near gaze means as far as his memory means as far as he remembers correctly. Underline instantly means immediately. Raise up the gross. Here gross means total sum of 3,000 ducats. Okay. Of what that means, Shylock is saying that doesn't matter because his friend, one of his friends, Tubal, a wealthy Hebrew of his tribe, will help him. Will furnish me means will lend him the money. Will lend money to Antonio. But soft means but wait. Soft means here wait. How many months do you desire? So he is asking that for how many months did they want. Now he pointed this line to Antonio. Rest you fair means oh hello Antonio, Mr. Antonio, how are you? Your worship was the last man in our mouth. Now underline this line. Your worship was the last man in our mouth means you were the last person or it is about you that we, Shylock and Bassanio, were talking about. So you were the last word, you were the last man in our mouth about whom we were discussing. Understood, students? Next, Antonio, Shylock, albeit I neither lend nor borrow, by taking nor by giving of excess, yet to supply the ripe of wants of my friend, I will break a custom. To Bassanio, is he yet possessed? How much ye would? Now, underline first certain words. Albeit means although. Means here Antonio is saying, confirming that to Shylock that Antonio neither lends nor borrow, taking another man's excess or extra money, nor by giving his own extra amount to anybody. Now, immediately he said to Bassanio, to Shylock, that I will break a custom, means he is ready to break that habit of neither lending nor borrowing the excess, because here he wanted to help his friend in need. Who is his friend? Bassanio. Because here Antonio wanted to help Bassanio, so he is ready to break that habit of neither lending nor borrowing the extra amount. Now, Antonio referred to Bassanio that has he been told, means has Shylock been told how much money, ye means you, referring to Bassanio, how much money Bassanio require. Students understood? Is he yet possessed means was Shylock informed before that how much money Bassanio needed. Understood, students? Shylock, ye 3,000 ducats. Yes, he knows that 3,000 ducats. Antonio, and for 3 months. So here Antonio is confirming Shylock that for 3,000 months they want 3,000 ducats. So students, I hope that this part is very clear to you. Read this part, revise the previous extracts, and I shall continue in my next video.